Welcome to Artificial Professor. In this video, I'll explain how to create and share WhatsApp group. First, make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. After this, open your WhatsApp app. From here, tap on these three dots which are at the right top and tap on the first option. Now select the participants for your group. Like I will choose. For me, I will only choose these three people. You can choose as much as you want for your group. After choosing the peoples, tap on this arrow sign. And here is the name of the group. Write the name of the group. After writing, you can also add the profile picture of your group by tapping on this one. And upload a profile picture for the group, which you like the most. And here is the option disappearing message. If you will turn on this feature, then after a specific time your message will disappear, and no one can be able to see your previous conversations. So for me, I will turn it official, and here is the option. Group permission. This one is for the group participants, means it is the option added group settings. It means if you will turn on this feature, then your member can also be able to change your group, setting your group profile icon. And also they can turn on this disappearing message. So I will turn it off, means I'm the only one who can control the my group. So therefore I'm turning off this one. And the second option is send messages. If you will turn off this feature, means without you, no one can be able to chat with each other. Only you will be able to send the message. So that's why I will not turn it off. So I want everyone to chat with each other. And here is the option. Add other participants. If you will turn on this one, then your friends can also invite the other people by sharing your group link. So that's why I'm turning it on. And here's the option. Approve new participants. I will turn it on. Means if my friend invites someone, and I don't know about that person, what kind of nature of that person is. So if I will turn it on this one, when I will approve that person, then he will be able to join my group. That's why I am turning it on now. After setting up all the permissions, let's go back and tap on the tick sign. So as you see, our new group has been created. So now how can you share your group link? Simply tap on the three dots which are in the right top and tap on the option group info and scroll it down. And here is the option, invite via link. Tap on this one and tap on the option copy or sharing. But I am copying the link. So link has been copied successfully. Now what you have to do, simply share this link through your WhatsApp, through your Facebook or through your friend, and when they will tap on this link, they will be able to join your group. So by this you can create and share your WhatsApp group to others. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.